Hello, welcome once again to the IT Academy. Today we're going to look at the mail merge feature in Microsoft Word. What is mail merge in Microsoft Word? Now, mail merge is usually used when you want to send a correspondence to multiple recipients. Let's say you're in a school, you're a school administrator, and you want to send letters to parents that have the same contents. The only thing is the names and addresses will be different. You're sending the same content to a lot of people. You don't want to start typing the letter for each person. So what happens is the principle is this. You type the letter once and then you just supply a list of names and Word will do the rest. Print a letter for each person. So let's see how it goes. To start, you have to click on mailing. You click on mailings and then you go to start mail merge. Click on it and then let's go to step-by-step mail merge wizard. So I click on that and then this is a wizard. That means it's going to be asking you questions and the answers you provide will help in creating these documents. So the first thing it's asking is this. There are 6 steps. So step 1 is starting the document. What kind of document are you going to create? Is it a letter? Is it an invitation? Let's say we're typing letters. So you select letters and then you click next. So the next is starting your document. Fine, we've already started the documents. So let's go to the next thing, which is selecting recipients. So click on selecting recipients. Now, do you have an existing list of people you want to send this document to, or you want to create a fresh list? For now, let's assume we don't have an existing list. So let's type a new list. Okay. So you have to click create and then it gives you the opportunity to type in your list. Now let's type a few names here. Let's type the title. You don't have to fill in all the fields. Let's type the most relevant ones here. Mr. Let's say John Johnson. Okay, I want to leave out the other information. So when you type this person's name, you go to new entry. And then Miss Jane Kojo. New entry. Okay, so we have these names and we have typed the name. The next thing you do is to click OK. Okay. Then you have to save the lists. So this now becomes an existing list. Remember when we started it as if we have an existing list. So now it's an opportunity for us to save this list for future use. We're going to call it my lists. Okay. And then save. So this list is now saved. You don't have to create a fresh one anytime you're doing this kind of thing. Okay. So it has given me the lists to be printed. So for the last time, I have to choose. I can decide to leave out some names. If I want them all, I just click here and all the names are added. And then I click OK. So what happens next? I'm supposed to write the letter. Step 3, write your letter. So let's write the letter. I'm going to make it, dear, okay, no. That will come later. I'm going to write, I am pleased to inform you that the school will reopen on the 5th of October 2020. Please make sure your words arrive early. Okay, full stop. Regards, Jacob Miller, the principal. So write your letter. I have written the letter. What is the next thing? I'm supposed to fit in the address block. You know that we have the list, so we have to fit in the position. Where do you want the names to appear? So I click here to make sure the cursor is blinking right there. Then I choose address block. Click the address block, and then the program wants to know how you want to address them. Do you want to address them informally with your first name, or you want it to be formal? Put all the titles, okay? So let's select this one. So it will address Mrs. Julia Richards, for instance. If I select the first one, it will say Julia. Okay. Now I want it formal. So let's make it this way. The titles will be there. Okay. So from there, we click OK. And then you see it has been put here. This is the address where it will be. Then the greeting line. Where will it be? The greeting, like dear so and so. So greeting line will follow. How are they going to be greeted? You want it to say dear or to. So let's maintain the dear and then click OK. So greeting address block is here. The greeting line is here. So next, then you preview the letters. Remember, you have typed the letters, you have provided a list. So let's click on preview. Preview, and you see the letters here. This is the first letter. And you come to this button here. Next, you see the names are changing, but the content remains the same. You see? So the names are changing, the contents remains the same. So the next thing you have to do is complete the merge. You click complete the merge. And then if you have a printer attached to your computer, you click print. And it's going to print 4 letters. Okay, it will print 4 letters, just like you're seeing it here. Let's go back. These are the letters it will print. It will print for each person. So complete the merge and then print. And then you have your letters all printed. So I hope this video was useful to you. And if you are new here, you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you.